The BedJet Mini is a compact version of the popular BedJet climate control system. It is designed to enhance your sleep by regulating the temperature of your bed. Here are some of its key features. 1. Cooling and heating. The BedJet Mini can cool or warm your bed in seconds. It helps you keep a comfortable temperature throughout the night. 2. Biorhythm sleep technology. This feature lets you program personalized temperature settings for different times of the night. It promotes deeper and more restorative sleep. 3. Moisture and sweat removal. It effectively removes body moisture and sweat from the bed, keeping you dry and comfortable. 4. Easy installation. We can be installed on any bed in minutes without the need for tools. 5. Compact design. The BedJet Mini is designed to fit under most beds. This makes it a convenient choice for those with limited space. Here are some of the pros and cons of the BedJet Mini. Pros. Personalized sleep temperature. Year-round comfort. Potential for improved sleep quality. Compact design. Cons. Price. Dependency. Noise. Maintenance. Overall, the BedJet Mini presents an innovative approach to enhancing sleep quality by addressing temperature regulation. While it offers the potential for improved sleep, it's essential to consider the investment, potential noise issues, and dependency factors. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.